I craved Sharpie markers. I just left my purse. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited about this video, like probably more excited than any other video I've ever done, because I am meeting one of my favorite YouTubers today. We are meeting at Target, and then I think we're going to head over to TJ Maxx. So I'm just really excited. I feel like I know her because we talk all the time, but we've never met, but we live like 20 minutes, 15 minutes from each other. So I'm super excited. So we are here in Target. I'm with Mandy from Mandy in the Making. Hey. We have been friends since she started YouTube, but we are just now meeting today, and I'm really excited. Also, you guys should check out her channel. I'll leave all the links to her channel down below in the description. So let's get shopping. So I have been wanting one of these shirts that say NASA on it for the longest time, but I've just never purchased one, so I might go ahead and get one today. So I've been wanting some outdoor furniture or patio furniture and an outdoor rug. So I'm going to look pretty soon, and Mandy told me that Big Lots had a lot of stuff. And there she is. And if you have never been to Big Lots before, or you don't have Big Lots near your area, I'm sorry, you're missing out. But if you do have it, you need to check it out because their home decor is seriously on point. Like, they have stepped up their game in the last couple of years. I haven't been there in a while, so I need to check it out. But she reminded me and told me that they had patio furniture, so I'm gonna look there before I look at Lowe's or anything.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Oh, look at these super cute. What are these? Mandy, what are these?
Aprons.
Aprons. I could not think of it, but they're so cute. Yeah, this is from the new Opal House brand. I really, really like this one right here. But would I wear it is the question.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
They have these right here, and these remind me of the Too Faced melted lip gloss that they have, or lip color. I really, really, really like this color. All right, so we are done in Target, and we are just gonna head on over to TJ Maxx. So we are here at TJ Maxx. Let's see what we can find. So I am seriously loving this new backpack trend. I've been wanting one, but I just have not found the perfect one yet. Okay, so me and Mandy are here. Terry, looking for your unicorn candle, and our TJ Maxx does not have it. We are not happy about it.
I've never been so loud before. Just trying to make you understand my eyes and hands, but you don't even hear my call.
Y'all, I'm seriously the biggest clown. Mandy's over there laughing, but she was frantic at first. I just left my purse in TJ Maxx. What in the world?
It was great, y'all. Hey, y'all missed that.
So we're sitting here waiting on our food, and we just realized that we forgot to film. Well, we realized it while we were in there, obviously, but we forgot to film like the first 20 or 30 minutes while we were in Target because we were talking so much. So I'm so red because before this, well, y'all don't want to know. I might add it in as a blooper on the end. But anyway, we are going to go ahead and answer some questions for you guys that have been asked to us either on like our comments or on Instagram. So let's go ahead. So the first question that I get asked all the time is, what name do you go by? I do not go by Carla, but I have a lot of people call me Carla. I go by Mackenzie. Mackenzie is actually my middle name. I've gone by Mackenzie my entire life. Well, I take that back. My mom said that she called me Carla the first month of my life. I don't know why she decided to change it up, but I do go by Mackenzie. If you call me Carla, it doesn't bother me. A lot of people do that on, like, at work and stuff because all the official documents say Carla. But yeah, I've gone by Mackenzie my whole life. I'm either called Mackenzie, Kens, Kenzo, or all of my family calls me Kenzie.
My husband actually calls you Carla Mac. That's what he calls you. He gives everybody a nickname, but he calls you Carla Mac. I told him that you go by Mackenzie. He doesn't care. You're Carla Mac.
Erin Williams, if you guys know who she is, she has a channel. She actually has called me Mac from the day that she met me.
That's
so
cute.
I think it's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so nobody has asked this question yet because a lot of people don't know that we know each other. But how did we meet? So...
You want me to start?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but a lot of times when I'm watching a video, I'll scroll down and look through the comments while I'm watching the video, and I don't remember what video it was on, but I saw she commented, and I clicked on her, and I went and saw that she had a YouTube channel, so I was looking through her picture, or through her videos, and then I went to her description, or her about me on her channel, and I noticed that her P.O. box, the city, is in the county where we both live, so I got really excited.
Yeah, and then she left a comment on my video telling me, oh my gosh, I think we live in the same county. I'm like, oh my God, message me on Instagram. And I was so anxious about it. I was so excited, and she didn't message me fast enough. And I was like, oh my God, where's this girl from? Like, I'm serious. I was so excited about it. And then she messaged me. It was only like 30 minutes later. And she was literally like 10, 15 minutes up the road. So It was really cool. So we decided to meet up, and we're really good friends now.
Yay.
Okay, so this is a question that I've gotten, whatever.
Sure.
This is a question that I've got before, and it is how we wrote this down, you know, we are prepared. How do you feel when you see other YouTubers growing faster than you, or just maybe they started after you and they're even growing faster than you? And if you want me to be completely honest, yeah, it sucks. Duh, I'm only human. I mean, obviously, I'm a competitive person and I don't like to be that way, but at the same time, you know, you're gonna look at other channels and you're gonna see, you know, their success, and if you're growing a lot slower, sometimes, yeah, it does get you down, but you have to just remember that everybody's journey on YouTube is different. It's completely different, and there are so many girls out there that I watch now that started maybe 5 years ago, and the first 2 years of being on YouTube, they had less than 1,000 subscribers, and now they are huge, and I love watching their videos still. But you just have to remember everybody's different, and just don't let it get you down, as hard as it can be. So
I've only been on YouTube for a very short amount of time, so I haven't really seen that part of it, but just the competitiveness, I've seen some of that. I would say that there's definitely some people out there that are a little more competitive when it comes to YouTube. But, you know, this kind of, I guess we could answer the next question if you want to. Why did we even start a YouTube channel? And I started a YouTube channel just to have a creative outlet and to have something to do. You know, I'm at home all of the time with my husband and my son. My husband works from home and my son is homeschooled, so we're all together all the time. I needed something for just me, and this was just a creative way to do that, and I'm having a lot of fun. But, you know, I like she said, I have a competitive side to me too, but I just put my blinders on and just do what works for me, and I'm not too worried about other people's success. You know, just because someone else is super successful doesn't mean that's going to take away from me and my possibility of being successful. There's plenty of room for all of us on YouTube, so I don't let it get to me.
Yeah, the internet is huge. There is plenty of room for every single one of us, or even you. If you are watching this and you want to start a channel and you've been watching YouTube for a while, that was both of us. Start. There's so much room for you, and once you get started, it's so much easier. Taking that first step is really the hardest part. Posting that first video, and the more videos you post, you're like, oh, it gets easier over time, and you learn over time, and yeah.
Yeah, it's super hard when I first got started. She and I both were talking earlier. We have social anxiety a little bit, and she mentioned that a lot of YouTubers probably do. Just getting in front of the camera and recording my very first video, it took me hours to get something that I liked.
Me too.
And I cried about it, literally cried. I was petrified. Like, it was really hard, but it's getting a lot easier the more you do it.
Yeah, how many of you have started YouTube and some of your first videos, you film your intro like 80 times?
Yep.
Yeah, I actually still do that probably sometimes, but anyway, yeah, that's why I started. So if you are watching this and you want to start a channel, do it. Message either one of us if you need some support or ideas or tips. We will be there to answer them. Okay, so this is a question. We're both going to answer it. I actually had somebody ask me this on Instagram the other day, and I already answered it for her, so if she's watching this, she'll probably laugh. But what did you crave while you were pregnant?
All right, I'm going to give my answer first because it's not nearly as funny as hers. You're going to love hers. When I was pregnant, which was forever ago, my son's 13, so it was a long time ago, but I craved Hush Puppies. If you're from the South, you love Hush Puppies probably. Hush Puppies dipped in honey butter. Like, I wanted that all the time from the fish camp that I used to work at. And then white peaches. I was pregnant during the summer. Peaches are great, but white peaches taste a little bit different. I craved them, and I would stand over the sink with my big old fat belly, and I would just be eating peach after peach after peach. It was so weird.
That's so funny. I didn't crave any foods when I was pregnant. I craved Sharpie markers, and I'm not talking about the little Sharpie markers. I'm talking about the big, fat Sharpie markers that are this big, the black ones, and ice. Also, I craved Expo markers, but not just any old Expo marker. It had to be an old worn down Expo marker. You know, like the one that the teacher's been using all year and it's almost run out. That's the ones that I craved. So I didn't eat those, but I would smell. I remember sitting at my old desktop computer, you know, the big box ones. And I remember this was with my first daughter, which was 10 years ago. Well, 11 years ago, because she's, you know, about to be 11. Anyways, I would sit at the computer and I would sniff these markers. I know, I'm like a crackhead. You probably think that. I would sniff these markers and I would chew ice at the same time, so I felt like I was eating the markers.
Y'all, really?
Then, sometimes that wasn't enough for me. So I would take my Cosmo magazines. I used to read the Cosmopolitan magazines all the time when I was that age. And I would take them and I would color the whole page black. And I would just stick it up in my face and smell it, and I'd chew ice. Yes.
Oh, and I love the way you say ice. Ice.
People at work.
I love it.
People at work make fun of me for saying ice because they say it sounds like ass all the time. I get that all the time.
Oh, that's funny.
You want some ice in that drink?
So I noticed on one of your videos not too long ago, you said you were getting a oil change. I say oil like that too. But, I mean, how are you supposed to say it? What's the proper way to say it?
I don't know.
Oil? Like, no.
Because I'm ice and oil are the oil. I say oil.
Mm-hmm.
Ice and oil are the two things that I get asked about. Well, not asked about, but made fun of about all the time at work.
Yeah. Oil.
Oil.
I got to get my oil changed. Oil.
I got to have some extra ice in that drink.
As long as you weren't chewing the Sharpie markers, we're good.
I didn't, but I thought about it. Okay, so I am home now, and I'm going to show you guys what I got from Target and TJ Maxx. I did not go out there like I usually do. I'm pretty proud of myself. It's actually like 6 or 7 hours later because when I got home, I was exhausted. So I'm about to go to bed, but I figured I would go ahead and show you guys what I got before I do that. So the first things I got are these little squishies. My girls love squishies, and Ansley's birthday is in May, so I figured I would go ahead and grab some of these for her. And then you know that Ansley loves to eat these and take them for lunch, and her two favorite ones are the sugar cookie and the vanilla cupcake. And I can only find them at Target. I've never seen them anywhere else. So if you actually buy these and you have bought them somewhere other than Target, just let me know. And then I got two shirts. This one just says, "Más siestas por favor." Yeah, and I know I sound ridiculous saying that, but I just like the color of it, honestly. It wasn't what I had on it. I love wearing red. And then I just went ahead and got this shirt. I've been wanting this shirt for a while, and I did go ahead and size up in it because it seemed really tight. I got an extra large in this one, and then I got a large in that one. I usually do wear a large in Target, but this one just seemed so small. But I'm really excited. I finally picked this shirt up after like a year of wanting it. And then, I don't know if you've seen in another video, I was talking about how I've been wanting some of this stuff. I went ahead and picked it up today. I'm gonna try it out. I can't believe I have never tried it before, but we shall see how it works. So at TJ Maxx, I spent less than $10. I think my total was like $9.48. So I went ahead and picked up some of these jar balls. I've actually never had any of these before, and Mandy said they were really good. So I'm gonna try these next time. I actually have a load of clothes in the dryer. I don't know why I didn't use them, I forgot. And then I got this to clean the blinds. Mandy actually found this too, and I've been wanting one of these, so I picked it up. And then I actually went to TJ Maxx for this because we keep one of these grocery or these lists on our fridge because of the magnet, and we were running low on our paper, so I thought this one was really cute. There were so many to choose from, like. So yeah, I really had so much fun today. You would think that I've known Mandy forever, but I haven't. We just met on YouTube, and I think it's so cool that we actually live so close. I didn't know anybody around here that had a channel that was that close to me, but it's really good to have a friend near here, and hopefully me and her can hang out more often. And also, she is so sweet, and I'm gonna leave all her links down below, the link to her video and the link to her channel. Go check her out and be sure to subscribe. Her channel is very similar to mine, so check it out. She also does a lot of DIYs. I don't do that, so if you like those, check that out too, because y'all know I'm not patient enough for DIYs. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.